Back your pantry for the week. We have some savings for you. Smart shopper Daphne Monroe revealing new grocery deals hitting your neighborhood stores tomorrow.
At Bash's this week, you're going to save on the vine tomatoes for just 97 cents per pound, and you can buy up to 5 pounds at that awesome price. Also at Bash's this week, Sanderson Farm split chicken breast or leg quarters just 97 cents a pound. And if you need some milk, how about a half a gallon of milk for just 88 cents each?
Shop at Albertsons this week and you will score a deal on boneless, skinless chicken breasts for $1.87 a pound. Plus, Albertsons has many dollar deals in their ad this week. One that stood out is Progresso Soup, normally paid $1.99, but you'll pay just $1. Make a pit stop at Fry's this week because you can buy a dozen eggs for just 98 cents, and there's no limit. Fry's also has Bumblebee canned tuna for just 69 cents a piece. And try some blueberries, a 6-ounce container for just 99 cents at Fry's this week. Safeway shoppers, you will score a great deal on chicken leg quarters, just 59 cents a pound, sold in 10-pound bags. And have some potatoes to go with that. Safeway has a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes for just 99 cents each.
That's just a few of the Valley grocery store deals. I'll have more deals on our website at abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.